Tim, coming straight at you. Constructors 911. We're doing a crazy ass remodel here. Well, it's really a renovation for the Haskell house. In Alton, they got their heat on, obviously. We're doing copper work. If you look outside, we got a lift. Kind of cool, huh? And as I go through this house, it's kind of wild. It's so big, and it's old, like super old. It's actually be interesting to see if it's haunted. You know what I mean? But in doing these restorations, years go by of neglect, and nobody takes care of it. Then they hire a GC like us, or a roofing company like us, that does permanent roof systems. So somebody came out here and was going to sell them a tile roof, which concrete tile roof's a good roof, but only lasts for 50 years. So I told them, you got, like a Ludowici clay tile. You guys need to go the whole way. And look how cool this house is. Once you get out, you really get to see it. You got like all those beadboard soffits with these custom-made long corbels. A French tile roof. And on the top of the roof up there, there's a flat roof. We're going to do that in a permanent roofing system, which will be made out of flat copper, which we'll show you when we do it. And then we're going to redo this whole entire flat roof right here in a Firestone 60 mil EPDM, super good rubber. Firestone's as good as it gets as a manufacturer. And now I got to figure out how I'm going to get all these units out of our way, at least disconnected while we do it, so that we can do a good job on this little bitty flat. Today we put down a boral tile seal. But you can see that white stuff under there, that underlayment, self-adhering. And we detached all these and we're resetting them, and then we're going to put them back up, and then we're going to do this section because these are where the leaks are. We're going to have a new underlayment, and this roof will be ready to last for a long time on this side. They can come in, renovate the place back, and get on with their life for a fraction of the cost of what it would have been to be brand new. Concrete tile, which only lasts maximum 50 years, it doesn't do the best in Missouri. So, and then we're going to go by and refix all these gutters, make repairs to them. So, we'll get more. There's Jorge down there, Constructors 911 van. And I'll see you next time on the next video out here in Alton. And we'll be up in Pekin working on some solar jobs. So lots of good stuff going on here at 911, and we continue to do the best job possible and provide the best service possible for our customer.